Would you like to set up your own user profile into your Audi and save your preferences for everything, from your favorite radio station to your seat position to climate controls, but you don't know how to do so? No problem, just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to set your own personal profile into your Audi, how to change from a profile, and how to reset a profile. But first, subscribe to this channel to help us achieve our goals of at least 1000 subscribers. Go to the Audi MMI screen and go to User. Click on Profile Selection. Click on one of the profiles that you would like to make your own. A new notification will pop up. Click on Apply. The profile will now be installed. To change the name of the profile, click on Rename. You can now type the name of your preference. By clicking on the OK button, you will save the name of your preference. Your personal profile is now set and can be used. Would you like to change from a profile? Go back to the User menu and click on Profile Selection. Click on the profile you would like to activate and click on Apply. The profile to your preference will now be installed and will be activated. Would you like to reset a profile back to the factory default settings? Click on the profile you would like to reset. Click on the Reset button below. Confirm by clicking on Reset. The profile will now be reset back again to the factory default settings. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.